Yo guys, what is going on? Now, don't know if y'all know, but this has been in speculation for years. Even I've seen this nigga, bro, and it's made me wonder myself. But this person here, if you don't know, is called Ramir. He refers to himself as Jay-Z's alleged son. Grown ass man, by the way. I don't mean to drill on to him, but he's been doing this shit for years, bro. Funny enough, Jay-Z hasn't responded. So, the reason why this popped up today is because, from what I'm hearing, Nicki Minaj went on a tour of Roc Nation, didn't get paid, signed by 100 M's, and we all know Roc Nation isn't really in people's good books right now. And I feel like even if everything isn't true about Roc Nation, like not everything you've heard, something gotta be true. So in retaliation to that, Nicki Minaj posts this. We all know about this story. If you don't, a lot of us do. And yeah, she's just gaslighting shit right now. So apparently 50 Cent posted this though. So even though Nicki Minaj retweeted this, 50 Cent posted this on his Instagram saying that Jay-Z's trending because a judge granted Ramir a request to move forward with basically getting a blood test to see if it's his dad, and he has by the 18th of July to respond to the paternity test lawsuit. I don't know too much about how that law works, paternity test laws, but if this is legit, then bro, time's ticking, my nigga. He got less than 10 days. He got like a week, my nigga, to respond to this comeback. Now you're probably wondering, cool, Jay-Z's son, I need more evidence, I need more proof. So let's get into this, man.
I still can't believe that Jay-Z denies that this is his kid. Jay-Z's alleged son, Ramir, just recently spoke to the Daily Mail, again pleading for Jay-Z to finally take a paternity test that he's been avoiding for the last 10 years. Let's talk about it. If you do not know, this man, Ramir Satterthwaite, has spent the last few years being very vocal about the fact that he believes Jay-Z is...
Y'all think he look like Jay-Z?
I still can't believe that Jay-Z denies it. Again, pleading for Jay-Z to finally take a paternity test that he's been avoiding for the last 10 years. Let's talk about it.
Damn, let me pause it. Y'all think this nigga look like Jay-Z? I think he look like Jay-Z a little bit. He does look like Jay-Z. I wouldn't say a little bit, a lot, really.
This man, Ramir Satterthwaite, has spent the last
few years being very vocal about the fact that he believes Jay-Z is his father.
And now Ramir is taking this to the Supreme Court. Ramir alleges that when his mother was 16 years old, she had a very brief fling with Jay-Z when he was 22. By the time Ramir was born in 1993...
That ain't looking good, and I feel like that's most of the reason, if Jay-Z has heard the story, which I feel like he has, he's heard it, her claiming to be underage kind of messed it up. If she claimed to be another age and then got the test and then lied and said, and then after said I was this age, that would have been a good way to maybe draw Jay-Z in, but I feel like they scared him away with the minor allegations.
His mother was no longer in contact with Jay-Z. However, she had recently gotten back together with her high school boyfriend. At the time, she made the decision to put that boyfriend, Robert, on Ramir's birth certificate. Stay with me, okay? So now the first time that Ramir sues Jay-Z is in 2010. A court in Pennsylvania then orders genetic testing for Jay-Z, Ramir, and the high school boyfriend that was on the birth certificate. And what do you know? It comes out that the high school boyfriend, Robert, was not Ramir's father. Jay-Z, however, never responds to the court documents until the case gets dismissed. In 2012, Ramir then goes ahead and sues Jay-Z, this time in the state of New Jersey. Jay's lawyers fight back, saying that the court has no jurisdiction over Jay-Z because Jay-Z has no business ties, no homes to the state of New Jersey. A judge dismisses the case. Ramir's lawyers quickly appeal, and they bring back tax documents as well as deed documents that show a Sean Carter from New Jersey who does have ties to New Jersey. Jay's attorney tells the court that she initially misspoke when she said that he had no ties to the state of New Jersey because she truly did believe that he only lived in New York City. However, they fight back and say, well, there's no proof that the Sean Carter in those tax documents is actually Jay-Z. So crazy to say, but that works, and they dismiss the case again. Now the NAACP and the ACLU are fighting on Ramir's behalf. Ramir then sues Jay-Z again in 2014, and it is dismissed again on the same basis that they can't prove that the Sean Carter in those documents is Jay-Z. Now Ramir is taking this to the New Jersey Supreme Court, and he's asking that all documents be unsealed all the way back to 2012. And he's asking Jay-Z to just take the test. In 2016, right before her death, his mother, Wanda, actually made...
Really believe Jay-Z's his dad. Like, he really believes this shit. If it really is his dad, bro, that's tough. That's all I'm saying.
A public statement saying that she supports Ramir and that Jay-Z was actually his father.
Wait, his mom passed away in 2016? Go back.
In 2016, right before her death, his mother, Wanda, actually made a public statement saying that she supports Ramir and that Jay-Z was actually his father.
Wow, her name's Wanda. Kanye's mom's name was Donda. And she kind of reminds me of her too. Not obviously who she was, but kind of just reminds me of her. So it's like, Wanda, Donda, Jay-Z. Coincidence?
Ramir has claimed time and time again that he's not looking for anything except validation and the truth. This is what he had to say to the Daily Mail.
If it's not, why you can't prove me wrong? Like, it's not as far as a proving me wrong thing. It's go to the courtroom and basically do what everybody else would have to do. Like, it's not, you don't have to prove me wrong. I just want the truth. Honestly, I can take a no. I can take, if I'm embarrassed at the end of the day, I can take that.
And then big shout out to whoever put this video together at the Daily Mail, because y'all did not have to put this in there.
So you got $1 million smile and you got a $10 smile. Bro, that nigga teeth yellow as hell. Damn. The teeth do look similar though. The mouth do look similar.
Y'all are messy.
That's tough. Okay, cool.
Meet Ramir Satterthwaite.
In fact, I was not.
He claims to be the son of Jay-Z. He's taking his paternity test.
Yeah. It's this nose. It's the features are very alike.
Case to the Supreme.
Oh no way, bro did that shit. Bro recreate the album covers.
Court of New Jersey. What do y'all think?
Hey, this nigga killing me. It's confirmed. The last one here, it looked like he could just coincidentally been hearing it. But yeah, this one's deliberate. He really was trying to recreate them. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is like the picture where he's trying to like Jay-Z the most. He doesn't look like him. Off guard, he be looking at him.
Is Jay-Z the father?
Tough. He going all out with it.
Oh, look at Jay-Z's little babies that he really had with no surrogate. Who the fuck they playing?
Those are Jay-Z's kids. I didn't know you had boys. Like that. This is Jay-Z and Kelly Rowland's child. Yes, Jay-Z is his son, Kelly Rowland. Wow, so we ended up trying to find his son and found his other son. Didn't know he had that. Right, so here is the picture of Ramir. This is the mother, and this is apparently his actual father. This is his real father. Happy family. Ramir as a young boy, picture with his parents and younger brother. So this is his dad, apparently. And then here's another picture of him a bit more growing up, also of his dad again. Ramir and his real father, Robert. Do you guys think Robert and Ramir look alike? Ooh, that might be his dad. That might be his dad, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They got the same type of eyes. No similar. It's a close one. I feel like that might be more of his dad than Jay-Z is. If I was Jay-Z, I might as well. The reason why he won't respond, I feel like it's because of allegations. But yeah, I don't think. Me personally, I don't think that is his dad. And if it is, nigga just happen to look like Jay-Z. A lot of niggas look like niggas all the time, bro. It's just in the genetics, bro. It's in the matrix. You know, we all one at the end of the day. We all humans, so about what color we are, what background we're from. You know, we're always gonna have similarities, you know? But tell me y'all think about this, man. That's tough. I hope he is, though. Ramir Carter. Kinda have a ring to it.
Look at my pants, say.